Now let's see the signs of trigonometric functions. If theta is not a quadrantal angle, so basically it does not lie directly on the axis. Whoops, wait a second. Yeah. So if theta does not lie on the axis basically, then it will lie in a particular quadrant because, well, this equation that defines the magnitude is always positive. It follows that the signs of the trigonometric functions can be found if the quadrant of 0 is known, for example. Well, that's just complicated thing, but if theta lies in quadrant 1, then the point P, so basically the end of the line that defines theta on its terminal side has both xy coordinates as positive. So basically if this you have here a grid, and if the angle theta lies in this particular area, this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. So if theta lies in this quadrant, then obviously the value of y and the value of x are both positive, and so that's that. So all the trigonometric functions are positive in quadrant 1. That is, remember, in quadrant 1 all the trigonometric functions are positive, and if theta lies in quadrant 2, then the x coordinate is negative and the y coordinate is positive, and basically the sine trigonometric functions are positive. Only the sine functions are positive in the second quadrant, and in the third quadrant the x and y coordinate are both negative, and the tangent coordinates are only positive in quadrant 3, and for quadrant 4 both the x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is negative, and the cosecant the cos coordinates are positive only in quadrant 4. And let's see. So find the signs of the following. Sine 160. So let's see. If we make this grid over here, 160 lies somewhere around here. This is the angle of 160. Whoops, just a second. Yeah, 160 degrees. So basically this angle lies in the second quadrant, and we know that the sine functions are positive in the second quadrant, so it is positive. Similarly, cosecant 190, that lies in the third quadrant, and we know that in the third quadrant only the tangent functions are positive, so cos 190 will be negative. And let's say we have tan 115, that lies in the second quadrant, and we already know that in the second quadrant only the sine functions are positive, so tan 115 degrees is negative.